A luxurious spa balm, and I'm making this for myself, and so I'm trying out a couple of these ingredients. So the first one I have is spinach powder, and this has a lot of antioxidant vitamins in it, which helps to nourish the skin. I'm not making any claims here, but this is something I'm going to be using. I've used this in my soaps, which is really nice. It's a nice natural colorant. So that's another thing to add for my bath bombs. This is vitamin C, which is ascorbic acid, which is the same as citric acid, and this is just a finer one. It nourishes and protects the skin from oxidizing damage, skin elasticity. Then next I have heavy milk powder, which is really nice. It makes a nice luxurious milk bath. Makes your skin so soft, and this is from experience, my own experience. And then this here is the kaolin clay, which helps to make the bath bomb a little harder, but it also provides a lot of skin benefit, and it's great for like normal, dry, or sensitive skin. So if I was to use bentonite clay, that is made for oily skin, and I don't have oily skin. I have dry, sensitive skin, so kaolin clay is really nice. And then this is Dead Sea mud to nourish and detoxify the skin. This is just SLSA, which is a foaming agent. A little bit of foam to your bath bombs. Here is the buttermilk powder, and this is colloidal oatmeal right here, which is really nice and nourishing for the skin. It makes a really nice bath soak to add to bath salts or foaming bath salts or anything like that. It's really nice for the skin. Aloe vera powder, which I think would be really good in a bath bomb. It has a lot of skin loving properties in it. They use this a lot in sun lotions and baby products too, or they use it in face masks, scrubs, and soaps. So I've seen this a lot in soaps. This is matcha green tea. I'll leave the links for all the ingredients and where I got it and stuff like that. So this is really nice. I think this would be a nice colorant too. It's a nice natural colorant. This is honey powder, which is really, I love this in all my milk bath bombs. Alright, so now let's go into the wet ingredients. So here I have, this is my fragrance oil, and it is a floral scent. Then this is polysorbate 80, and this one here is raspberry seed oil, which is really great for the skin. And I also put cocomidyl propylbenzene in it, and that just helps to produce a lot of suds. And then this is my sunflower oil, and I infused it with my chamomile flowers that I grow here in Vermont in my garden. And then I just have my salts here, and you can check out the video on this link in the description box below. So that's everything here. So there's quite a bit of ingredients, and I like a lot of these ingredients, and this here I will probably add to my sea salt and lily bath bomb mixture because I like the color too, adds a nice contrast. And then this, so maybe this here, which this is the SLSA, but this here would be really nice. So again, we have the buttermilk, colloidal oatmeal, aloe vera powder, kaolin clay, matcha green tea, honey powder, Dead Sea mud, SLSA, which is a foaming agent, spinach powder, which is all natural, great, vitamin C, which is really fine, same as citric acid or ascorbic acid. This is a heavy milk, so that's buttermilk, and this is a heavy milk. And then the fragrance oil, polysorbate 80, raspberry seed oil, and the cocomidyl propylbenzene. It's hard to say, and also the sunflower chamomile flower infusion.